Rhythm Smarter kits come with the Rhythm module. It can be placed anywhere on your panels and is what allows them to react to sound. To activate it, click the center button. Once the blue light turns on, you'll see your lights reacting to sound. To change between different rhythm scenes, you can click the center button to toggle through the scenes or choose different scenes through the Nanoleaf app. If you want to change back to a standard scene without the rhythm reactions, you can click the toggle button on the main controller. If you look at the side of the Rhythm module, you'll see an aux-in jack, which you can use to connect the panel straight into your audio source. If you still want to listen to your music out loud or through headphones while it's plugged in, you'll need to use a splitter, as the panels themselves don't produce any sound. And that's everything you need to know about Rhythm on your Nanoleaf Light Panels.